Welcome to Dazzle TV on YouTube. You can also watch this video on Smart for Mike on Facebook, MY Media on Facebook. You know, because I be PMO a war tema. And a new trainer, another quick for Addo, a buying a cofadia banene, and OBBA unknown, a senior work here, and say, the new place, railway line, yeah, under the auspices of the Ministry of Railway and Development. I don't heard about. So this is the new train, as you can see on your shot. I know Anasabri ever found to and there I say. Now as you can see, because I said Mode Brian and check and about could be a Kunya in Sevilla. I don't see Ama Ghana for a trouble Musa, but Sabri Bra, another than Kufuado. And then on the 22nd of November 2024, Obaba Commission na will be the commuters or more you see the train no the alpha or more transport as you can see the railway lines well here any lines in any what I say this is the newly trained ana yetwa mfrode ma enche na na dan kwaku fo da ba bedru obedra na ya hye adwumaje na se e wa ha se enti this is the new train no footage na sabri ya de braw e wo ha se na under the auspices of the minister Peter Amewu and the sector minister for Ghana Railway, Minister of Railway, as part of the transport sector in Ghana. So very soon, the president himself will be here to commission the project. So we inside, near the home for me at the So this is the train now. Enter, I don't go to I will come to my Namagana for how you see Eddie. This is the number no and actually in 002 at Dawson. And see when you're 002, I'm sure there will be 001, 002. And this is the former Attorney General, Honorable Jogati, a member of Parliament for Esikado, former member of Parliament, or known as Abidra. Also, his wife was recently elected as the president of Ghana Bar Association. And those of you who followed the case, na ekoso ewo Afenyomaa case versus the Speaker of Parliament case na course na the Supreme Court really said 5-3 said declaring the 4 seats in Parliament as vacant and it's unconstitutional, and the Speaker should rescind his decision. He was the lead counsel for Afenyomaa. So that is the man I'm talking about. That is the Honorable Jogati, former Minister, Attorney General, and he was also a member of Parliament for Esikado in Keteng Esikado in Takrade. That is a brief history about the man we are talking about here. But as you can see, this is the beautiful train we are commissioning today here. Yes. This is the photo gallery. This is the washroom. Yes. It is a Uber from now. So we open set. We own here. This is a washroom. Then we come here. Look at the seat. Wow. This is the seat. If you look benze. Ekoye mama. We na na. This is what's a toy.
Couch smart. Need me. Where you print mama to?
TikTok. Mas you here for long side.
Why be any hand to when Tia Coswa? Your baby a display at Che baby, a do baby airport. And I, Sanso and I, was CCTV cameras and walk on board that way. And the wedding is the new mistakes. You give me our submersion. Tree, and no one sat in the no one sat in the Ghana Bank Association. If it is a media, that is it. That is how I hit it. Now, we can sign it
Shall we remain seated? Please, nobody is allowed within this perimeter. If you are African, please, we will ask you to give us some reasonable space.
Team and the men who worked on this beautiful project, as we gathered here to commission this project, we ask for your presence, your peace, and your protection in Jesus' name.
DM Edeba Dazi TV, MY Media on Facebook, Smart for Mike on Facebook, and other Dazi multimedia platforms. We know can say the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Danko Kufadwa Bedru Asabri, Yabo Christian Pabone Wewi Sabri, Yabet Labishin. Yache Jumediano, I say, we don't consider the president. Nana Adanko Kufadwa, Ababidra Ono, and a Sabri, Oche, Bush and Mukakra, then El Hono, see, Nana Kufadana, railway line. So in Sabri, yeah, Paul Abishin for the event to kick off.
Constituency, a Sicado Keten constituency. The Honorable Joe Gatti is also in the text. Let's welcome him. Very instrumental in the development of the railway and where we have come so far. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a dynamic member of Parliament. Used to you, the President of the Republic of Ghana and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, His Excellency Nana Addo. God bless you. Thank you.
Hello? 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 Sabri Ghana, the performance, a coach at two, and not Sabri. Omo performing at the Wahasi and Sanda President. Ababekasa Wahasi. Sabri performance, my performance every now. The President of the Republic of Ghana.
The gentleman I'm just about to introduce to you, somebody whose record in Ghana and Africa politics is unmatched. This gentleman has spent almost all his time fighting for the rights of humanity. Since 2007, 2008, when he showed up to run for the high office of this country, all his messages has been one that centers on the well-being of the people. Majority of the things that he's done centers on the social rights of the people of Ghana. He's led a big initiative that has ensured that many vulnerable people have the opportunity for basic education. He talked about the fact that Ghana needs to move from what they refer to as a Gettysburg economy to a more industrialized economy where Ghana can be acknowledged in the League of Nations. He introduced several initiatives, including the Agenda 111 that seeks to bring healthcare to the district level and ensure that people have quality healthcare. He's introduced a lot of initiatives in almost every sector of the economy, and he's been seen working day in and day out. Just this week, the president, this gentleman I'm talking about, has commissioned several projects, including the Flower Pot Road, including the Bank Square, and today we are here going to commission this very monumental initiative and project. Just this week, he led the commission of over 80 educational programs in the country that seeks to better the lot of the people. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let's with a resounding round of applause and a standing ovation welcome the President of the Republic of Ghana and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Welcome.
Media advisor to the President and officials of the Presidency, Minister for Railways Development and Member of Parliament for Hohoi, Eastern Regional Minister, Deputy Minister for Railway Development, Member of Parliament for Asante South, Metropolitan Chief Executive of Tema Metropolitan Assembly and other MMDCEs, the Board Chair the Ghana Revenue Authority, the former Minister for Railway Development, Member of Parliament for Chicago Kitang, Chairperson, members of the Board of Directors, and Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Railway Development Authority, Chief Director of the Ministry of Railway Development, the Managing Director, Management and Staff of the Ghana Railway Company Limited, representatives of the contractors, the Chamamakari, the acting president of the Chama Traditional Council, Nia Jitiago, the chief of Athena.
Right now, Minokase, the President of the Republic of Ghana, is addressing the media, addressing the gathering. Ono na sabi na nisem edi tuja no nti yankoso na yenti the president ono na sabi baba kasa.
It has been a long time coming, but I'm very happy to be here today to commission a project of transformative significance to our homeland Ghana, the Tema Pakadan Railway Line. This historic achievement, the first ever standard gauge railway line in Ghana, symbolizes the bold strides we're making to modernize our transport infrastructure and drive the economic growth of our nation. This project is proof anymore we're needed of what is possible when vision, commitment, and hard work align. As President, I pledge to prioritize the revival in the expansion of Ghana's railway sector. And today, we take another giant leap forward in fulfilling that promise. Ladies and gentlemen, since 2017, the Akufo-Addo government has placed railway development at the forefront of its agenda, recognizing it as a powerful catalyst for industrialization, trade facilitation, and socio-economic transformation. Railways are acknowledged globally as the most efficient mode for transporting bulk goods and large numbers of people. They are a mainstay for reducing the cost of doing business and fostering regional integration. This conviction led to the establishment of the Ministry of Railway Development in 2017, tasked with the singular mission of designing and executing policies and programs to build a modern railway system. The Ministry has worked assiduously to develop an integrated rail network that enhances the movement of goods and people, facilitates trade, and accelerates industrial and economic growth. Over the past 7.5 years, we made substantial progress in reviving Ghana's railway infrastructure. Let me highlight some key achievements. 1, the Western Line rehabilitation. In 2017, we successfully rehabilitated the 66-kilometer narrow gauge section of the Western Line from Kujokrom to Takwa to enhance manganese orbit. 2, standard gauge development. In 2018, we initiated the construction of a 22-kilometer standard gauge section between Kujokrom and Mansour. This has marked the beginning of our transition to a modern railway system. 3, further extensions. In 2020, we secured funding to extend the Western Rail Line from Mansour to Huni Valley, covering 78 kilometers and linking directly to the port of Takwa. This will provide seamless connectivity for the transportations of minerals, bulk cargo, and other goods. And 4, the Kumasi Rail Network. We're financing the development of a 6-kilometer standard gauge line in Kumasi from Addo to Kasi, expanding further the Western Line's capacity. Today, however, we gather to celebrate the completion of the Tema-Mpakadan Railway Line, a vital component of Ghana's first multimodal transport system. Ladies and gentlemen, this 100-kilometer railway line complements a visionary transport system that integrates rail, road, and inland water transport, connecting Temaport to Gripe Port via the Volta Lake. This project, conceived under the administration of His Excellency President John Addo before, is a good example of continuity in governance for national development. By reducing our reliance on road transport for long-distance freight and passenger movement, this railway line will address several critical challenges that have hindered Ghana's development. It will decongest significantly our roads, alleviating the heavy burden that has led to severe traffic congestion, the rapid deterioration of road infrastructure, and an alarming increase in road accidents. Furthermore, it will enhance the efficiency of port operations at Tema, minimizing vessel waiting times and container dwelling times, thereby boosting the competitiveness of our ports. The integration of rail and inland water transport will also transform trade in agriculture by lowering freight costs, increasing the viability of agricultural enterprises along the Volta Lake, and facilitating the seamless movement of goods and produce to and from northern Ghana and neighboring landlocked countries. This railway line, therefore, stands as a transformative intervention to address these pressing issues comprehensively. When fully operational, the multimodal network will link the Tema Port and the North-South Transport Corridor, spanning some 400 kilometers, will open new opportunities for the movement of fuel, cement, containerized cargo, and agricultural products. The economic and social benefits of this project are far-reaching and transformative. By alleviating the pressure on our road network, we extend the lifeline of critical routes, including those along the Eastern Corridor, while simultaneously lowering the cost of transporting bulk goods, agricultural produce, and containers, thereby enhancing business competitiveness. It will offer a reliable and cost-effective transportation alternative for passengers in areas currently underserved by road networks, ensuring greater accessibility and convenience. Moreover, the construction, operation, and maintenance of this railway line will generate significant direct and indirect employment opportunities, uplifting countless Ghanaian households. This project is far more than just a railway line. It is a lifeline that will empower communities, invigorate businesses, and strengthen industries, ultimately making Ghana more resilient and prosperous. Ladies and gentlemen, this ambitious endeavor, financed through an India Exim Bank credit facility at a cost of some $447 million United States dollars, is a proud achievement for all Ghanaians. However, its success depends not just on its construction, but also on our collective commitment to safeguard and maintain this critical national asset. I extend a sincere appreciation of the government and people of Ghana, to the Indian government and her people, for her contribution to the realization of this project. The relations between India and Ghana are excellent, and long may they continue. I extend my deepest gratitude to the chiefs and people of the communities affected by this project. Your patience, cooperation, and sacrifices have been invaluable. As the ultimate beneficiaries of this infrastructure, I urge you to take pride in it and protect it for generations to come. The Tema-Pakadam Railway Line is just one piece of a larger puzzle. Guided by our 2020 revised railway master plan, we will continue to expand the reach of Ghana's railway network to unlock the full potential of our economy. This is a vision that will require sustained investment, partnerships, and unwavering national work. As I commission this landmark project today, I'm filled with hope for the brighter future that lies ahead for our future. Together, let us continue to build an efficient, interconnected, and prosperous Ghana. Accordingly, ladies and gentlemen, Nina, Nanamu, it is my singular honor and pleasure to declare the Tema-Pakadam Railway Line duly commissioned. May God bless us all in our homeland Ghana and make it great and strong. I thank you for your attention.
The President of the Republic of Ghana, Akasa Awi, Asabri Yeme, vote of thanks. Yiape, Obeko, Na, Wako, Commission, Ocean 4. This is the moment. Vote of thanks. But then the court, Na Kwako Chen, abroad, the President of the Republic of Ghana will come officially to cut. Na officially, opening the officially commissioned the railway. I can say ha, and President Baba na about commission na say the plaque no, Ena Sabri Omo Akata Swede Ewahasi. This is the plaque, and the president will be the first person to enter the plane. And Senebeya, Edibia Bede, Edebe Ewahasi, into Tamchuku, and Kobebia, into Senya Wopeno, Ibia Equaswaha Kama. Na Enche, the president himself will come and Oba no so about commission Ewaha Kama. So this is the train, you know, and Echagu Ewa screen. So Enche, president Beba, then he go and enter. Now now we inspect inside her. Now the Bibia and the Abraham Kama. Train a more for ye, a more for ye and Kasankasa, Mankan Chanamibwa, a more for ye and Kasankasa, brand new one, you know, and a Sabri, Echagu, a what when him Hasi. Inti some draft wire by Inti, yes, so Eddie Bia, the Eddie Bremo, the Ewa Hasi. Inti Sanya Oheno, the president will be here to make sure that but the Bia day at the Abramo. So people, you know, that whole team home that said out here, there are some who already sitting inside. See, and the president. So no, Anna Sabri, which are. By the Ewahasi, into Omo the revenue and Omakofa. So these are the Bia Omo senior a plane like a cabin crew. Masha Bata the cabin crew for Pepe. Send the STC for your Modiano. The same thing sooner. Greenway line for so every year or more Eddie. About national anthem, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Oba na wabe unveil the plaque, no. Ewo ehase na afede ejebu na ye de dwumadeni na den aba na wieye. So the president of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, will be having ceremonial ride here at the Tema Mapadan Railway Line Official Commission no and Asabri Baso. Enti the president of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo Sabri Oba na wabo unveil the plaque no ewo ehase. The president. The president of the Republic of Ghana, Sabri Oba. President Council. The president of Saudi, or merely the plaque. Now, when say Nana Addo asere when say wasere FAI ankasa Antony the sector minister Peter Mewu and Sabrina Omo Kasa was saying to unveil plaque now he's going to board the train no akotuna mu kama no say yeah Nana Addo the show boy ono ni sanu djuma and Sabri go a yehi Sabri the president Sabri ono so eba and now Dona Sabri the president ono na Sabri okwakofu na okwakofu train the president ono okona The president na sabri obviously na okakofro sabri president na wakora training mu so ko rokakotina mu say yeah Addo yeah aridi wakotina the president akwakotina training mu or so or chile kakra da se aha kana enu ni